Hey guys, welkom bij de first part of Gary's mod. Let's do it. Let's go to this chamber. Chamber. Getting add-ons. Workshop complete. Oh, the workshop is complete. We can go to work. Some knife, some guns, some headshots. Yeah, that's it. That's Gary mod. You enjoy it or not? I have my Christmas hat next to me, so if you're there, I put him on. Workshop complete. How long does it take? Here we go. Doe maar prop. The fuck is this? Oh, we need to watch this fucking ad. Some butter. Some butter. How many lives? 2 props. 2 reset. Are you stupid? One to go. Walking stone. Walking fridge. Where's the bar? We want beer. Stupid hunters. That's not fair. Oh wait, no, I am a hunter. Oh fuck, I'm a hunter. Okay. Let's hunting then. How many? Jesus. There are 30 seconds. Evil Meloon servers. Nice name for a server. Evil melons are coming to your house. They are coming to your house. Sorry guys. Sorry. Here's nothing. Big map is this? Ah! What the fuck? Finally! Kill them! Headshot! Sorry guys. Flylifegame in our house. Where the fuck are they? We need. Oh, here's one. here. Hunters win. Ah. Oh. I have grenade. Oh. I see it now. Okay, what shall we do to be a prop? What shall we do to be a prop? A nice prop. A stone. Fucking stone. Oh my god. Great spot. Let's check if they find me. How long? Oh my god. I'm too big. Okay, how long does it take before they killed me? Does they find me? Huh? You are playing evil melon. How do I count? I forgot it. A 5. Ah, okay, done. Say hello, stone cut. They found me. Okay, next game. I don't want to wait. Trouble and terrorist. That's yes, this one's good. Sorry guys, but 2 minutes to wait, too long. You guys want to see some action? Some action? Do you really want some action? Some action. Yeah, some action. Now go to the action and buy something. There you have action. Sending client info. Minecraft! Oh, Minecraft. Let's kill those bastards. Zombie chat.
Guys, I have the gold block. I'm coming with the gold block.
Oh.
The gold block.
Oh. No, just mute him. I don't want to talk with those stupid murderers. Stupid geeks. Just shoot, man. Just shoot. Oh Jesus. Flying weapon. Okay, he's a traitor. He is the traitor. Kill that Syntax Chan. Kill it. Who the fuck is jumping into the weather? What the fuck is he doing? You are looking angry, my friends. You don't know the song Be Happy? Be happy. Be happy. Always be happy. Be happy. Be happy. Be happy, happy, happy. Ah, what am I? Preparing. Ah, what happened? I am the traitor. How do I drop my weapon? I don't want this. Oh my god, there's somebody dead. Drop that weapon. No, I have no idea how, but okay. What the fuck? This? Oh, I dropped my weapon. Ah, nice, but I'm the traitor. I want to kill someone. Jesus. Oh Jesus, there's somebody dead. Oh fuck. Fuck that. Fuck that. How many terrorists are there? Oh, you didn't see them. How many times? 3 minutes. Is there more funny game? Bunny hop. What the fuck is bunny hop? Bunny hop. Morbus. Oh, dat is ook zo funny game. They have a lot of new gameplays. Pedo beer. What is pedo beer? Do you have an idea? Me neither. Who the fuck is shooting? Oh, I can't jump. Oh, here, weapon. There's somebody shooting. We aren't. So, gangbang website. Jeez, man. Oh, fucking fire. Shut the fuck up, fire. Oh, they did. Oh my god. They are thinking I am the traitor, but I am not the traitor. Do you want to me to trade? Do you want from me? What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck is he doing? What a moron. Or is the traitor. Also doing.
Staarwetten som een traitor.
Innocent win. Shall we try that pedo beer or not? GT dev. No, something with many players in it. Let's try bunny hop. I have no idea what bunny hop is. Maybe just jumping, huh? Jumping. Just jumping. Jumping. Yes, this is it. I read out. Jumping. Jumping to the stone, to the other 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 stone. And this is gonna be a take. Well, so this is not what I'm looking for. Let's just do some prop hunt with 8 players. Transparent Lehman. I know that server. Good server. Welcome, Floppy. Oh, that loading every time, it's so enjoying. Yeah, it's really enjoying. But yeah. Yeah. Jesus, man, come on. That takes a long time. Really long time. That might take some time, but it's worth it. We are in the process of updating. The download will be quite long, but it's so worth it. It's so worth it, and it is so enjoying. Is it, guys? Is it, guys? Woo. Terrible. Really terrible. Getting add-on. Jeez, man, why the fuck does it take so long to download? Oh my fucking god. Okay, look, guys. I have some time. Look what I can do. Fuck is this? That's a magnetic thing. They're standing on each other, and look. See here. Oh my god, it's too heavy for them. No, you stupid asshole. Look. Oh yeah, I'm enjoying. I want more. Who's in the candy? Oh! Oh, look, guys, look. Oh, fuck, now he's dead. Oh, Michael. Where the fuck are you dying? Oh, in his head. Headshot. Stand, you fucking dumbo. Dumbass, stand. Stand for what you are doing. Walk. Walk, Fitch. Come, boom. Oh, this takes a fucking long time, man. Why the fuck are there no servers without that? Office, Italy, Nuke. Yeah, which one is fun? Let's try this one. Fucking disconnect. Enable to service. What the fuck? Soon I get my own video camera, and then we are going to do some stuff. Is this, guys? No, 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 no. Oh yes, we can go. No, 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 fuck. Fuck. I even can't spawn menu. What the fuck are they doing?
Hi, it's Vince with Sham Wow. You'll be saying wow every time you use this towel.
Props win. Prop hand. Relay prop hand. Jesus man, come on, I want just never do this game again. This is the only and last episode of this game. It takes too long and too many downloads to just play for some couple of minutes. This video is more yeah, screw. Okay, I'm a fucking hunter. Let's hunt those bitches. I'm so angry that I need to wait. I need to wait. Rage time. Come on, for the glory, for the power of our, for our nation. Fight till we all die. Or what the fuck? Hey, melon man. Get your fucking melon out. Come here. Where are they? Do you know it? I saw something. Where are you? Make some fucking noise. Where the fuck are they? Where are they? Oh, we already have won. Victory! What shall we? Okay. Let's see if they will find us. We are just some flowers. Some skinny flowers. Skinny? Nah, we are not skinny. Nah, hunters, come. What the fuck are you doing? Now they are coming. Find me. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm moving. I'm growing. It's the point of life. Be active and receive. Oh my god. Okay guys, this was it. Prop hunt. Thanks for watching. See you next time. It's old.